starting with the first part of speech, that is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. What does it name? It can name things like book, chair, fan, etc. Similarly, it can name a person, or it can be name of a place like mosque, school, park, or an idea, thought, or concept. Now this particular part of the definition comes under one of the kinds of noun that we are going to discuss later. So the first kind of noun is common noun. What is common noun? It is name of a common person, place, animal or thing. Common means person, places, animals or things in general, like a boy or a car. Similarly, a dog or a school. Whereas proper noun is name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ahmed and Honda City. Previously, when we were talking about common noun, we named the person as boy. Boy could be anyone. It could be any boy. Similarly, car could be named as Honda City and it would become proper noun. Jack or grammar school. We must keep this thing in mind that whenever we are using proper noun within a sentence, first letter should always be capital. Then comes collective noun. It denotes a group of people or things. For example, team, army, class, bunch, herd, etc. Collective noun is basically collection or group of something, and all these words are representing collection or group of things. But we must understand the difference between plural nouns and collective nouns. Player is a singular noun. Its plural noun would be players. Players would not be collective noun. Its collective noun would be team. Team shows collection or group of players. Dog is a singular noun. Its plural noun would be dogs and collective noun would be pack. Flower is a singular noun. Its collective noun would be bouquet or bunch. Musician, collective noun would be band. Bird, collective noun flock, which shows collection or group of birds. Tree, collective noun cluster. Now let us have a short quiz related to collective nouns. I am a lonely grape. Can you take me to my? So let us guess what would be the collective noun for grapes. Would it be bunch, herd, bouquet or flock? Yes, you guessed it right. It would be bunch. I'm a lonely flower. Can you take me to my? Collection or group of flowers would be called forest, herd, bouquet or flock. Yes, bouquet is the right option. I'm a lonely dog. Can you take me to my? Shoal, herd, pack or flock? Yes, pack is the right option. lonely bird. Can you take me to my team, herd, flock, or army? Yes. Collective noun for birds is flock. I'm a lonely tree. Can you take me to my flock, herd, pack, or cluster? Yes, collective noun for trees is cluster. I'm a lonely player. Can you take me to my team, band, army, or punch? Yes, team. I'm a lonely sheep. Can you take me to my team, band, flock, or pack? Yes, flock is the right option. I'm a lonely fish. Can you take me to my flock, shoal, team, or herd? Very good. Shoal. You've done a great job. Good job, kids. This is all about our today's lecture. We'll discuss the remaining kinds of noun in our next lecture. Till then, you have to revise all the kinds of noun that we have discussed in our today's lecture. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.